Welcome to my channel Watch and Learn. So viewers, in this video I am going to explain the two main types of factor analysis. So there are two major types of factor analysis. One is exploratory factor analysis and the second one is confirmatory factor analysis. So what is exploratory factor analysis? The word exploratory means to explore something new. So it is used to analyze and investigate data sets and summarize their main characteristics. It can also help determine if the statistical techniques you are considering for data analysis are suitable. So the basic goal of exploratory factor analysis is to summarize and or describe the data by grouping variables that are correlated with each other. So there are two types of exploratory factor analysis. One is principal component factor analysis and the other is principal factor analysis. Now let's talk about confirmatory factor analysis. So what is confirmatory factor analysis? So confirmatory factor analysis means a valid factor analysis. The confirmatory factor analysis is used to test a theory of an underlying process. In confirmatory factor analysis, the variables are chosen carefully and specifically to illustrate the underlying process of the construct. So it is a special form of factor analysis most commonly used in social research. It is used to test whether measures of a construct are consistent with the researchers' understanding of the nature of that construct. So confirmatory factor analysis is a multivariate statistical procedure that is used to test how well the measured variable represent the number of constructs. This technique is used to verify the factor structure of a set of observed variables. I hope so you understood this simple concept about confirmatory and exploratory factor analysis. For more informative and latest video, kindly subscribe my channel and stay connected with me. Goodbye.